Ever wondered what causes the seasons? Why do we have warm summers and chilly winters, or the mild transitions of spring and autumn? The answer lies in the tilt of the Earth's axis and its journey around the Sun. Earth's axis is tilted about 23.5 degrees relative to its orbital plane around the Sun. This tilt remains relatively constant as Earth orbits the Sun. Earth follows an elliptical orbit around the Sun, taking about 365.25 days to complete one full cycle. Let's explore how this works for different times of the year. When one hemisphere is tilted toward the Sun, it experiences summer. During this time, the Sun's rays hit this part of Earth more directly, resulting in warmer temperatures and longer daylight hours. Conversely, the opposite hemisphere, tilted away from the Sun, experiences winter, with cooler temperatures and shorter days due to the Sun's rays hitting it at a more oblique angle. Spring-autumn occur during the transition periods when neither hemisphere is significantly tilted toward or away from the Sun. During spring and autumn, both hemispheres receive roughly equal amounts of sunlight, leading to moderate temperatures and equal length of day and night. In addition to these general seasonal patterns, there are specific key points in Earth's orbit that mark significant changes in the amount of daylight we experience. These are known as solstices and equinoxes. Solstices, these mark the points during Earth's orbit when the tilt of the axis is most pronounced in relation to the Sun. The summer solstice occurs around June 21, marking the longest day in the northern hemisphere, and the winter solstice occurs around December 21, marking the shortest day in the northern hemisphere. Equinoxes, these occur when the tilt of the Earth's axis is perpendicular to the Sun's rays, resulting in nearly equal day and night lengths. The vernal or spring equinox occurs around March 21, and the autumn equinox occurs around September 23. Understanding these astronomical events helps us grasp how the Earth and the Sun interact to create the seasons. These seasonal changes affect our weather and also the natural cycles of life on Earth, from the blooming flowers in spring to autumn harvests, highlighting Earth's dynamic and beautiful nature. So now you know the changing seasons are a direct result of Earth's tilted axis and elliptical orbit. Stay tuned for more such scientific insight.